Hi there! We've been given the assignment of redesigning the Bonaria website, but before getting into the proposal, let me tell you briefly more or less what the company is about, just to set the context. Bonaria is a food company based in Guissona in the province of Lleida, but it has factories and stores all over Spain. One of the key features of Bonaria is that it controls the entire process, from animal farming to food production and finally to retail. So basically, the company sells directly to their own consumers through their own network of stores, thus avoiding intermediaries. Because of this, Bonaria has become a major reference in Spain's food sector. It's known for efficiency and competitive prices, but also for values like quality, proximity, and trust. Now, if we look at the current website, well, it does provide some useful information, of course, but it feels a bit outdated. Today's users expect websites to be clear, fast, and honestly, a bit exciting. People want to understand a brand story quickly. A website is no longer a list of products. It's your brand, working for you 24/7. So our goal is design the whole of the website so that people understand what makes you special in the first 5 to 10 seconds. First of all, visual impact. We're proposing a clean, modern design with strong personality, close-ups of your sausages, burgers, and fresh products, real textures, not just food. We would use white space, bold typography, and a warmer color palette inspired by the land and the Catalan tradition. The idea is to elevate the perception of the brand without losing the authenticity. Second, brand storytelling. And this is important because Bonaria has got a really powerful story. Proximity farming, full of control of the value chain, commitment to the territory. So instead of long explanations, we would structure this site so users kind of discover the story naturally through short text, icons, and visual cues. Less reading, more understanding. Third, user experience. Now, let's be honest, most users are on mobile. So we redesigned the navigation to be faster, simpler, and more intuitive. Fewer clicks, clearer sections, and direct access to things people actually want. Products, stores, recipes, and corporate values. Everything optimized for speed and accessibility. Fourth, emotion and trust. Because, well, food is emotional. We'll integrate lifestyle photography, recipes, and real-life situations using your products, helping users imagine Bonaria at their table. This isn't just about giving information, it's about creating a connection. And finally, future-ready design. The new website will be flexible and scalable, so it's ready for campaigns, new product lines, sustainability, communication, or even e-commerce evolution, without needing a full redesign every few years. So, in short, we're not proposing to change who Bonaria is. Not at all. We're proposing to translate your strength, your quality, and your Catalan identity so into a more modern digital language that today's consumers instantly recognize and trust. Bonaria is already leading in product. Now it's time for the website to lead in perception too.